Uchazwe njengeqhawekazi uMarshoff nobeneminyaka engamashumi ayisithupha nanhlanu.
My grandma was a phenomenal woman. The impact that she had is something that I cannot comprehend.
You were the most hardworking person I know. You were a woman with a gentle and a fierce spirit. A role model to me and so many others.
Marshoff uphinde wachazwa njengomholi obezithobile kodwa engasabi ukuthatha izinqumo ezinzima.
Problematic as a leader who can't take a decision. It doesn't matter if the decision is wrong, but take a decision. And we believe that we have learned also from our mother that she was firm in taking decisions. Once she believed that she was correct, she would take a decision. I'm asking all of you leaders who are here today, this is a lonely job. It is a difficult job to be a leader. But what makes it easy, it's when you love serving your people.